So I've already started by planting some peppermint that our sweet neighbor brought us a whole bunch of mint. And so I propagated them. We're going to see how these do. Probably that's way too much for this pot, but we're just going to get them started and then we can transplant. I've got some chive seeds from one of the plants in the yard, a couple cherry seeds, and shiso here ready to go. I divided the basil that's inside. I'm going to try one outside with some rosemary that's sad from me being gone and not watering it. We'll see if it will come back to life. And I'm kind of hoping that's enough, but we got more if we need it. All right, so we've got our thyme. Is that right? And then we've got our chives on this side. So that's that. Okay. And then sweet basil and red basil. And we're going to hope that they will transplant. Okay. And this was the other basil that was in this tray. I've just up potted it. We'll see how it does inside. All right. So we've got a mix here of the propagated mint from our neighbor. And then some mint that I bought last year at the store and just kept all winter. And so there's got some little ones and there's some ones that are like way too long. Look at this guy. So they turn purple stemmed in the winter and then they get green again in spring. So what I'm going to do is chop this, propagate it, and then just plant the bottom of this. And we're going to do a giant pot of mint. Can you tell I love mint? Okay. So I've added rocks in the bottom to hopefully help with drainage. Okay, so here's the propagated ones. Nice roots. I don't know how they will do transferred to soil, but we're going to find out. Okay, and I just put the cherry pits in here. See if we can get some cherry trees. And last but not least, it's going to be, actually, there's two more things. First is going to be the chives into this little pot, and then we'll do the shiso. Okay, we've got our shiso in there. Okay, now I think I'm going to walk the pots down to the garden, and then I'll just water them once they're in place. Okay, we've got them out here. Little table should help with drainage too, so the excess water can go through. So one of the main problems with my start and stop gardening of having this plan and then waiting on the seeds and then some of them take and some of them don't, and then I didn't get it done as quickly as I wanted, and now it's finally getting them out here and I've had to move them around the house, etc., etc. Basically is that a lot of this, I have no idea what it is. Honestly, no clue. This is from Alan's mom, be a cucumber or something like that. Oh no, it's bitter melon. It's happy as a clam. We've got the things I do know. Pretty sure these are marigolds with the purple stem. That's a lettuce, pretty sure. This is some lettuce that I was growing from the grocery store and got a couple more runs out of it and stuck it in here, and now it's bolted. And then this little guy is my one lettuce that is loving it. The one main bed I was able to get from the stuff inside, which is crazy to me that this is all we got, but you know, it was a rough winter. Our sweet potatoes, Japanese sweet potatoes, are loving it. So happy. This is from that giant sweet potato inside. This still has so many more slips, but I don't have more places to put them. So I don't know what we'll do. Might just dig some holes in the ground. Then this is the fingerling potato, and he needs a lot more dirt because, like you can see the potato here, we've got, I think I did 2 bags in this one. All filled up. I was pretty aggressive about it because I know I can be with the potatoes. And then I was much more gentle because I have not done the Japanese potatoes before, but covered all around them. I did cover some of the stem and stuff, but made sure the leaves were still up. So I think that should be good. If for some crazy reason they hate it, and I have to start over. I have so many more slips that I'm not worried about it, but I think that should be good. And this is much deeper. I got a whole 40-pound bag in here, so that's a lot more room for them to grow potatoes.